What if your rough pencil sketch could transform into stunning art in minutes? Today, I'm breaking down my complete Adobe Firefly workflow, from concept to final masterpiece. Start with a clear pencil sketch. Nothing fancy required. Scan or photograph it in good lighting. Upload to Adobe Firefly's image generator. The A responds better to defined shapes and lines. Don't overthink it. Rough sketches work beautifully. This foundation becomes your creative blueprint for what's coming next. Your prompt is everything. Describe your sketch's mood, style, and details. Use keywords like oil painting, cyberpunk, or watercolor. Reference artists or art movements. Adobe Firefly excels with specific descriptors. I combine my sketch's elements with atmospheric details. With the specific, the more visual your language, the closer Firefly matches your vision. Generate multiple variations. Firefly gives you options instantly. Compare results, adjust prompts for better matches, tweak lighting, color palette, or composition. This iteration cycle is where magic happens. Each generation teaches you how Firefly interprets your ideas, helping you refine your creative direction. Export your favorite variation. Use Firefly's editing tools for fine-tuning, adjust colors, contrast, or details. Save in high resolution for print or digital use. Your sketch evolved into professional art. This workflow transforms traditional sketching into next-level creative expression. Did this workflow inspire you? Like, subscribe, and drop a comment about your favorite icon.